We are in our, what do you call this? I don't even, it's not Airbnb. Little villa. This is little birds hanging out.
It's so weird, but this is kind of a creepy place.
Yeah. I mean, I like it. So this is the girls' floor, and we have 3 beds. So I'm gonna sleep over there. Darlene's gonna sleep over here, and Maria's gonna sleep over there. And then you go inside, and there's this closet in front of me. And then we have a view of a wall.
We made it!
We made. I know. I'm actually so tired. Oh, and the washroom is here. Hold on, I haven't even turned on. Boop. What's in here? So there's a shower and there's its own room toilet. That's good. So like we can brush our teeth together. Teats. Excuse me. This is actually really beautiful. It's so nice and quiet in this town. Oh. It's so nice, guys. Oh my gosh, look at the flowers here. Look at the flowers, it's so beautiful. This is an amazing, lovely mini town. The Groznjan, Croatia. Where's Alex?
Oh my god.
Hold on, I don't want to jump. Green card. Oh my god, guys. Everywhere is beautiful. I'm gonna cry. It's like a hobbit house here. Hey.
We're exploring.
We're exploring. I feel like I'm gonna fall here.
This is corn.
But it's okay. I already fell in love.
You fell in dog shit?
I didn't get it.
Oh man.
You didn't get my joke. Oh.
You fell in what?
In love with Groznjan, yeah.
Oh.
Oh, sad.
I can't fall anymore because I've already fallen in love with this place.
You can't repeat my own joke. You can't do that.
It's so pretty.
I don't think Alex wants us to be with him.
Alex, give us love.
Alex, you're so cute! Strike a pose, honey. You're doing great.
Keep going. Alex, keep going.
Alex, keep going.
Different pose. And another one. Keep going. Keep going.
Whoa!
Oh, tiramisu sharing because it's so big. This is my hand.
I mean, look at it. It's like
That's huge.
bigger than my hand.
They have chocolate mousse.
Yes! And of course, I'm taking a picture of it beforehand.
Hey guys, just finished dinner and oh my gosh, we are so spoiled here. We just ate a lot of food.
A lot of food and so much food. Oh, sorry.
A lot of food and so much food.
That's how much it was.
Makes sense. So, after showering, Darlene and Maria realized that
Dun, dun.
there's handprints above Darlene's bed.
Somebody is being dirty in this room. I don't appreciate it. Like, clean it up for yourself, please.
Is it really like that? Was it there? Was it there when we got here earlier? I'm just kidding. But I'm actually pretty scared.
Oh, it's so creepy. Why?
I just showered. We just showered actually. So.
And we're using Maria's clothes.
Oh yeah, we're using Maria's clothes just because our luggage is not here.
So
And we are stupid enough to not bring change of clothes. Well, we've learned our lesson. Good morning, everyone. It's about, what time is it? About 9.
Yeah, it's
9 in the morning.
9:15.
We have breakfast at 9:30 and class at 10. Oh yeah, my clothes. OOTD. Same thing. Nothing's changed. I'm wearing pajamas to class just because I don't have clothes. Darlene, wearing the same thing yesterday. Walk it, girl.
Yes.
Runway. Runway, all the way from the back.
Runway.
Walk. Yes! Same thing from yesterday. I didn't want to wear my my other shirt because it just smells so sweaty. And Maria lent me some clothes, so I thought,
So nice of her.
you know what? I'll just wear this. We just finished our first part of our class.
Sorry.
Maria's trying to fix the projector for us. Yeah, I did good. And this is our view. Actually, I was kind of distracted. I was just looking at the view while we were having our lecture. Oh, look at you. Can you actually put that song?
Ready? For this very...
Oh my gosh.
What do you think?
Oh my gosh.
Rate it out of 10. 10 being amazing.
Sorry, 8, 9.
9.
9.
We got a solid 9.
Other one go to.
I don't know. Finally, we're gonna be in the winery. Have some. Oh, hi. Okay.
Yeah, look who Jimmy is. Didn't even give me a ring.
We're gonna go to the winery and have some wine tasting here in this beautiful winery. You can see there's a castle up there.
Oh, are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, I tripped for the first time. What? This is the. Okay, tell me you can't do it again and again.
I fallen in love with Europe. Literally. I've fallen.
No. Oh, I actually got it. Be careful if you fall.
This is the nightlife in. Where are we? Groznjan.
Groznjan.
Basically, no one's outside. The lighting is beautiful.
I'm a vampire.
We're actually looking for a bar right now, but there's nothing open. We're gonna talk about our film. Film, what do you call it?
Is that how you say it?
Yeah,
Whoa.
actually, I asked a friend.
Something. Proposal.
Je suis un vampire.
But
To my French buddies.
I guess
out
we'll just do
there.
it somewhere else. It's currently, I think, 11 p.m. and we just finished wine tasting and dinner, and seriously, we are so spoiled in here. I don't know if I said the good news that we actually have our clothes now. Our luggage is back, and I'm so happy that we get to change clothes and not dirty clothes. And the students from Croatia are coming here tomorrow. in the afternoon, so we get to meet them. We're just starting our film class, so we're thinking about what our pitch would be for our film, and we're very excited to do this. This is the first time we're gonna do like a short film, and I've always wanted to do one, so I'm really excited. Okay, good night.
Okay.